Ever wonder how something as tiny as a chia seed could transform your health while you sleep? These little powerhouses might be the nighttime secret you've been missing, working magic on everything from your sleep quality to fighting serious health issues. When you're fast asleep, your body is hard at work repairing and restoring itself. Adding chia seeds to your evening routine can give your body an extra boost during this important time. These tiny seeds pack a serious punch when it comes to your health. Let's dive into how these small seeds can make a big difference in your life. Better sleep. Adding chia seeds to your evening snack can help you sleep better. They're full of tryptophan and magnesium, nutrients that help your body make serotonin and melatonin. These are the hormones that control your mood and sleep cycles. Studies show that these nutrients can reduce anxiety and improve your mood, which helps you sleep better. The magnesium in chia seeds also helps regulate melatonin to guide your sleep patterns. Plus, the fiber in chia seeds keeps your blood sugar steady, so you won't wake up from sugar crashes during the night. Amazingly, just 1 ounce of chia seeds contains nearly 30% of your daily magnesium needs, a mineral that about half of Americans don't get enough of. Weight loss help. Want to shed a few pounds? Chia seeds might be your new best friend. Research from 2024 found that eating about 2 tablespoons of chia seeds every day for 6 months helped overweight people lose weight and inches off their waist. The high fiber makes you feel full, so you eat less. The omega-3 fatty acids also boost your metabolism, helping your body burn fat more effectively. Here's a cool fact. Chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, expanding in your stomach to help you feel fuller longer. Steady blood sugar. Eating a small serving of chia seeds before bed can keep your blood sugar levels from going crazy overnight. The soluble fiber forms a gel in your stomach that slows down how fast your body digests carbs. This prevents those sudden spikes and drops in blood sugar that can wake you up. Chia seeds are also rich in alpha-linolenic acid, which helps your insulin work better so your body can manage blood sugar more effectively. Interestingly, ancient Aztec warriors would eat chia seeds before battle for sustained energy without blood sugar crashes. Better digestion. Chia seeds can boost your gut health when you eat them in the evening. The soluble fiber soaks up water to form a gel in your digestive system, making your stool softer and helping you go to the bathroom regularly. Chia seeds also contain compounds that reduce inflammation in your intestines and support a healthy gut lining. A study from 2023 found that these compounds improved how well your small intestine works and lowered inflammation. Just 1 serving of chia seeds provides about 10 grams of fiber. That's nearly 40% of your daily needs. Healthier heart. Adding chia seeds to your bedtime routine is great for your heart. These seeds are packed with plant-based omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and lower your risk of heart disease. Recent research showed that adding chia seeds to your diet can lower your total cholesterol and triglycerides while raising your good cholesterol. The soluble fiber also helps lower bad cholesterol by binding to bile acids and helping your body get rid of them. Gram for gram, chia seeds contain more omega-3 fatty acids than salmon, making them one of the richest plant sources of these heart-healthy fats. Better hydration. Did you know chia seeds can help keep you hydrated through the night? They can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, forming a gel that helps with digestion and keeps your hydration levels up while you sleep. They're also full of electrolytes like magnesium and potassium, which are crucial for balancing fluids in your cells. The name Chia actually comes from the ancient Mayan word for strength, partly because of how these seeds could help warriors stay hydrated during long journeys. Less inflammation. If you deal with inflammation, chia seeds might help. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that can reduce inflammation throughout your body. A 2024 analysis found that eating chia seeds lowered C-reactive protein levels. That's a key marker of inflammation in your body. Chia seeds also contain antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and calm inflammation. Surprisingly, chia seeds have more antioxidant activity than fresh blueberries, protecting your cells from damage that leads to inflammation. Wait, before I share the most important part, make sure you're subscribed. That way you'll get updates straight to your feed. Now let's continue. Stronger bones. Eating chia seeds before bedtime can strengthen your bones. They're rich in alpha-linolenic acid, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all nutrients that build strong bones. Research shows that regularly eating chia seeds is linked to increased bone mineral content, meaning stronger, healthier bones for you. Chia seeds contain 5 times more calcium than milk by weight, making them an excellent choice for boosting your bone health while you sleep. Natural detox. Want to help your body get rid of toxins? Add chia seeds to your evening routine. Ground chia seeds can actually absorb toxins in your digestive system, helping your body eliminate them. The fiber in chia seeds also helps regulate your bowel movements, making sure waste and toxins don't hang around too long in your system. Scientists have discovered that chia seeds can even bind to and remove certain pesticides and heavy metals from your digestive tract. Acid reflux relief. If nighttime heartburn keeps you up, chia seeds might be the answer. The gel-like substance they form creates a protective barrier in your stomach that can reduce irritation of your esophagus. Research shows that a diet high in fiber can strengthen the muscle between your stomach and esophagus and decrease reflux episodes. The mucilage in chia seeds forms a unique protective coating in your digestive tract that can soothe irritated tissues within just 15 to 20 minutes of consumption. Stronger immune system. Boosting your immunity is as simple as adding chia seeds to your evening routine. They're packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and strengthen your immune defenses. Chia seeds also provide essential minerals like zinc and magnesium that help maintain a strong immune response. A 2022 study highlighted that proteins in chia seeds can actually reduce inflammation and enhance your body's anti-inflammatory response. Chia seeds contain quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that's been shown to help your body fight off viruses and reduce allergy symptoms. Better sexual health. Yes, chia seeds might even help your sex life. They're rich in zinc, which is crucial for testosterone production. They also contain magnesium, which helps with muscle relaxation and blood flow, important for erectile function. A 2023 study found that chia seeds improve sperm quality and reduce damage to testicular tissue, showing they might enhance male reproductive health. Ancient Aztecs believed so strongly in chia seeds' ability to enhance libido and stamina that they were sometimes banned for everyone except royalty and warriors. Cancer prevention. Chia seeds contain compounds that might help fight cancer. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and dietary fiber that work together to reduce oxidative stress, lower inflammation, and stop cancer cells from growing. A 2024 study found that chia seed extracts actually suppress tumor growth and cause cancer cells to die. Eating chia seeds at night might enhance these benefits since your body repairs itself while you sleep. The alpha-linolenic acid in chia seeds has been shown to reduce cancer cell growth by up to 50% in laboratory studies. How to take chia seeds. To get the most out of chia seeds, follow these simple tips. Aim for about 2 tablespoons per day. That's all you need. Mix them with water or milk to create a pudding, or add them to smoothies for an easy way to enjoy them. Eat your chia seeds about an hour before bedtime to give your body time to digest and absorb all the goodness. Remember, while chia seeds offer amazing health benefits, they work best as part of a balanced diet. If you have any health concerns, it's always smart to check with your doctor first. Wow, who knew such tiny seeds could pack such a powerful health punch? If you found this information helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing health tips and tricks that can transform your life. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from adding chia seeds to their nighttime routine. Drop a comment below sharing how you like to enjoy your chia seeds. Until next time, here's to your health.